Okay guys, this is gonna be a fun drinking game. Take a shot every time I say or in the following video. See if you're still conscious at the end of it.
Hello, I'm riding the cart with my friend here, doing a bit of a shout out video. K&T Do Halloween did this neat segment where they talked about different sites that they like to look at, and challenged everyone to put theirs out. So, being fairly new to the haunt community, my list isn't very extensive. A lot of what I built was all on my own, and what my friends came up with. Only recently have I started looking online at other people's ideas. So I put together a little list. I want to shout out to K&T Do Halloween first for putting out this challenge, and also they have a lot of fun videos. You got to check out their fiber optic sign. That thing is just beautiful. It's a piece of art before it's a prop. It's just incredible. Also, Diablo 85 has a lot of DIY tutorials, how to use a single motor to get multiple movements out of it, some corpsifying, lots of use of PVC, good animated props, like a lot of graveyard scene type stuff. Tim Johnson, who does a lot of pneumatics, he's got this killer scissor prop used in a way I've never seen before, to have a little kid on a tricycle come down the driveway and then pulls it back after the sequence is run. And he's got some other cool pneumatic props. Halstaff, oh man, I didn't write it down right, but it's Steve Kochi, I hope I got your name right. Does a lot of animatronic DIY, both motorized and pneumatics, as well as servo motors and such. Haunted Groundz is one that I look at. I found their site when looking for how to use wiper motors on various things. I also need to mention Sandric Cemetery is a page that I look at a lot. He's got DIY prop building, specifically how to corpsify is what brought me to his page. Relatable for me. And then he shows some other projects that he's working on using a single motor. And he's also working on a haunt sign as well, which is what I need to do. And I also want to put a shout out to Sam. I'm sorry, Sam, I'm going to get your name wrong. Seide. I really like the production that Sam does. He does a lot of programming, some pre-show and show stuff that's, you know, near and dear to my heart. Very theme park based experiences, and it's just that's the type of stuff I try to aim for. So thanks everyone, and I'll be checking out your pages more and more. Plus, I found a lot of new names because of K&T Do Halloween, and I can't wait to learn a lot from you guys. I'm just really glad to have become part of a haunt community and found other people share their experiences and their projects. After all, that's how we all get better, right? Thanks for watching.